Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Maitri Mehto from Srimati Devki Mohan Singh Ji Chauhan College of Commerce and Science. Today I am going to talk about the Johari window. So what is Johari window? It is a model for self-awareness, personal development and understanding relationships. It was developed by Joseph Luft and Harry Ingham. We find that people with good interpersonal skills get along well with people and circumstances. They connect with other people effortlessly, they seem to know the right thing to say and generally succeed in whatever they do. Interestingly, we find that interpersonal skills are one of those things that you only notice when someone doesn't have them. And understandably, if we're not good at these skills, it is others who notice it first. The good news is that it is possible for every one of us to develop really effective interpersonal skills. The question is, are we aware about the need? And if so, are we interested and committed to improve our skills continuously? If your answer is yes, then the next question that arises is, how does it work? Using the Johari window model, each person is represented by their four quadrants. You can also call it four pane, window, etc. Each of these contains and represents personal information like feelings, motivation, etc. about the person and show whether the information is known or not known by themselves or to other people. You can see here the four quadrants in four different colors. Now we will talk about one by one all the quadrants. So quadrant 1 talks about open area. Now what is an open area? It is that area of information about you that is known to you and to others also. It can be those information which you don't mind admitting in front of everyone. Second is blind area. It is also called blind spot. These are those information about yourself that others know but you are not aware. Others may see you differently than you see yourself. This can be simple information or can involve deep issues. For example, feeling of inadequacy, incompetency, unworthiness, rejection, etc., which are difficult for individual to face directly and yet it can be seen by others. The next quadrant is third, which talks about hidden area. You can also call it avoided area. These are those information that you know that others do not. These could be private feelings, needs, and past experiences that you prefer to keep to yourself and you don't want others to know about it. Next is fourth quadrant, which is unknown area. What is unknown by the person about himself and is also unknown by others. This area is unrecognized talents, motives, or early childhood memories that influence your behavior. Open communication and getting new opportunities can expose some of this area. So you should never hesitate to take new opportunities and challenges. Now that you are aware about these four quadrants, what are the things that you can do to improve? So first is, if you want to improve your building your relationship, then you can expand your open area. If you want to have effective relationship, then you should try to reduce your blind area. If hidden area is too large, you can be perceived as lacking authenticity. So if you want to be seen as more reliable and authentic person, then try to reduce your hidden area. Open communication and getting new opportunities can expose some of our unknown area. So now that you have understood this, you can work on this. Thank you everyone.